Hey, hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinley. Today I'm going to get ready using the Strawberry Picnic palette by Simply Posh Cosmetics. This is the color story right here. I did film a 3 looks with this palette if you want to check it out. The video is there for you if you want to see what looks I created. Alright, let's get started. I already have the Milani eyeshadow primer on. We're going to go in with the shade Picnic right here and put that in the crease. I'm getting ready for work. It's 5:10 in the morning, so it's gonna be a quick look because I have to be at work at 6. So let's get that going. How are you guys this morning or this day? Everything going good? I hope so. Today is Monday and I really didn't want to get up, because usually on Sunday nights I struggle to fall asleep, and then it's a drag to wake up at 5. I got up at 4:45ish. I had my alarm set at 4:30, but I don't know, I couldn't get up, and then I was like, I need to get up now, and I was like, all right, let's get going. Then with the shade Farmer's Market, I'm going to go in the outer V and a little bit in the crease. I'm using the E45 Max Small Tapered Blending Brush by Sigma. This is the same brush I used for my first shadow. Let's put that in the outer corner. This is going to be a quick, simple look. Not too intricate or not too many shadows. That looks good. And now I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Berry Fields right here all over the lid. Ooh, look at that. And with the eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go in with the crease. I'm going to wipe off the excess shadow that I had on the crease. On the brush. I'm going to go in here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pop off of camera, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line with you. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Very Good, this one right here. Run down the lower lash line. That looks pretty. Then I saw that I had this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. It's a brown one and it's in the name Sunny Veil. So I'm going to apply that in the lower lash line. In the lower waterline. Alright. I'm going to go and smudge that a little bit with the eyeshadow that I had on this Morphe M574 brush. Then with that same brush, I'm going to take the shade Jam, this one right here. This one right here, Jam. I'll apply that in the inner corner highlight, as the inner corner highlight. Like so. So this is the completed look. What do you guys think? I think it's beautiful. Alright, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Adios. Bye.